said before. My great aunt, she got that cough again. See the devil on the stalk again. My great aunt, she got that cough again. It's probably now I see the devil on the stalk again. They cut my words, won't even talk again. You on your knees won't even walk again. My great aunt, she got that cough again. I see the devil on the stalk again. They cut my words, won't even talk again. You on your knees, can't even walk again. I see mothers go through so much pain. I see fathers wanna blow their brain. I see sisters walking through the rain. I see brothers nothing but the same. I call the God and he just let it rain. Like why the fuck we go through so much pain? And I'll never say your name in vain. But goddamn, I wish this shit would change. Why he beg for change? It's not the world, he want to stay the same. But it's them coins and there's that fucking change. Why get me through the rain? Don't got no house because he moved a lot. And ain't no car inside that parking spot. I smoke too much, I start to cough a lot. Feel like my lungs inside the frying pan. You took something I can't get back. You took my soul and I ain't with that. You took my homie, I ain't with that either. Ain't questioning you, Lord, I'm just happy to meet you. You took my grandma, my grandpa, what the fuck is that? I see niggas get shot because they fucking black. I swear these niggas out here tripping, so I keep a gag. But I ain't never ever put my trust in that. I put my soul into this shit, I hope you right back. I just got a couple questions, hope you right back. Hope you right back. Couple questions need answers. Hey, why the fuck you let my grandma get this cancer? And why the fuck you let my grandpa have this heart attack? I wrote you 2 years ago, you ain't write me back. See, I ain't mad, I just think this shit is fucked up. Halloween, I guess my luck's up. I heard that call, my heart fucking stopped. And he was dying and nobody helped me. I was screaming so damn loud, you can hear me from the cloud. They say Jesus there, I'm like, where? This just a question, I'm just asking where. And please forgive me for my every sin. I'm just asking when it is my time. Cause at this point, it feel like my time is far behind.